Zechariah 4:10. Do not despise, ayaw isawalang bahala, these small beginnings. For the Lord rejoices to see the work begin, to see the plumb line in Zerubbabel's hand. In short, miskan isa pa na kabuk imong disciple, ayaw undangi, kay diraan na magsugod ang breakthrough, ang panalangin na ihatag ni Lord sa imuha. Miskan piso na lang na ang mabilin sa imuhang pitaka. Ayaw kaguol. Kay walay 1,000, walay 500, walay 100 kung wala nagsugod og piso, 25, 5 centavo. So importante na, God is never intimidated by small beginnings. Dira man jud na magsugod tanan. And usually ang pinakauna mao pa jud ang pinakalisod. He does not wait for big starts. So ayaw isipa nga kailangan nasa ko'y iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 terabyte fully paid before ko magwali. Oh, sana all. He works with what is small and turns it into something great. So kanang gamay nga naa kadraa, mura jud niya ako ma-offer, Lord. Lord, maulang dyan ni Lord, maximize what I can offer to you, Lord. Lord, gamay man kaini sa kong pananaw, Lord, but in your eyes, oh God, this is more than enough. Because, Lord, you are more than able. Miskan gamay pa lang kayo ng alakaw. Miskan gamay pa lang kayo na napag-yes nimo, kanang yes nimo, daghag mapanalanginan. Amen.